Sir, shall I repeat the same answer about Quad
Yes,
framework?
please. Yes, please.
Sir, may I have the question repeated so that I
Yes.
will repeat?
How
Yeah,
can Quad play as a counterweight to string of pearls policy of China?
Sir,
Hmm.
I wouldn't say that Quad is an counterweight to the China
I
string
said
of pearls policy.
how can I mean, I'm not
how
saying
can?
how it is. How can it play? There is a possibility.
Okay, sir. Sir, China has said that, or China sees Quad as an counterweight
Hmm.
because of the shift of world's attention from the Atlantic Ocean to the Indo-Pacific region.
Hmm.
And China, it is alleged that China is building various ports as well as infrastructure in the maritime as well as littoral countries across India.
Hmm.
But I would say it was because of the China's forward policy and its need for larger infrastructure creation for its sea lanes and maritime Silk Road. Uh, India's now approach for the issue-based alliances such as
Hmm.
Quad. Now it is also providing us diplomatic as well as leverage, so that we can engage our countries, engage with the countries in Indo-Pacific, such as small countries like Sri Lanka, Vietnam, as well as Indonesia through Quad
Hmm.
framework. Now there is a talk of Quad plus framework where we are also taking uh, or including the countries in Indo-Pacific such as Indonesia,
Hmm.
South Korea, as well as this Vietnam. So it can be helpful for India to improve the accessibility of the Indo-Pacific region and counter the China's approach of
What
string
is
of
what is the
pearls, which
difference
has.
between what is the difference between Asia Pacific and Indo Pacific? You use the word Indo Pacific.
Yes, sir. Sir, Indo-Pacific has been is a geopolitical construct and has its definition varies from countries. For
Okay.
India, it starts from the western coast of Africa towards the eastern coast of this South American continent.
Hmm.
And Asia Pacific region, as it is said that it consists of both the means Pacific region as well as Asian countries.
So does Asia Pacific include India? Hello.
Certainly, sir. But sir, there is a forum of APEC Forum, Asia Pacific Council.
Yes, I mean
In
council,
that,
being a part of council or an observer is one thing, but
yes, sir.
as a construct, as a concept, is India part of Asia Pacific?
Uh, Sorry, sir. I do not have the exact idea, but I know it is in one context.
Hmm.
Basically, Asia Pacific concept
APEC.
is promoted. APEC
Hmm.
is promoted by the USA, and
Hmm.
it generally consists of the countries that are littoral countries of Pacific region, and that is why there is a common term of
Okay.
Asia Pacific, and that is why we cannot say that India is the extended neighbor of Asia Pacific, but does
Hmm.
not include in that.
All right. Thank you very much.
Uh, Amruta madam asked some question.
Yes, thank you, sir. Praveen, you have very well described the issues associated with the farm bill and regarding the recent protest of the farmers. Um can you tell me more about MSPs? Like, what is MSP and how many crops are being given MSP in India? Uh, so, like, no, and which crops should be given and what should be the appropriate policy?
Ma'am, MSP is a minimum support price given to the farmers so that the uh, market price does not means farmers should get the remunerative price from the market for their produce. It is recommended by Commission of Agriculture Cost and Prices, and it has been
Mm-hmm.
given to the 23 crops till date.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, MSP price is basically provided for better remuneration for farmers, and there are various logic given by the National Farmers Commission under Dr. Swaminathan that it should consist of A2 plus FL, that means farm labor, and it should consist of means it at
Co-
least guarantee 150% of the uh, input
Cost of
prices
the
to the agriculture,
it should
cost
be
of the
like
production,
cost of the production that should be
cost of the
taken
production
into account primarily.
account.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh,
And in terms of in terms of which of the in terms of which farm produce should given the MSP, ma'am, it is largely uh, mm, there are various factors. I do not know the exact determinants are, as well as parameters about which produce should be given, but largely it should benefit the farming community. That is the whole crux.
okay. The crop which is greatly produced by the farmers.
Uh, okay,
I
ma'am.
mean, for inputs like seeds and adequate climatic conditions are present. So primarily farmers go for producing those crops which are suitable for agroclimatic conditions of the region. And the cereals are produced mostly in large part of India. So most of the cereals are there in the out of those MSP of 23 crops. Most of the crops are cereals in that. Okay, I
Thank
will
you, ma'am.
ask you the next question. Um what is Article 31A in according to Indian Constitution?
Madam, I cannot recollect it now. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Do you think possessing agricultural land should be a fundamental right?
Uh, Fundamental right, ma'am. Property initially was a fundamental right, right to property
Mm-hmm.
under Article 19, but now it has been a constitutional right. It's not a fundamental right, and I would say we should respect the constitution and
So
agriculture land as a fundamental right. I don't means I could not guess how it will benefit people. Largely, there are issues, and it can create confusion as well. So it should be a legal right rather than fundamental right.
so this constitutional right of land holding is placed in Article 31A.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. My next question. See, according to various international institutions, uh, like WEF, WB means World Bank and World Economic Forum, Bangladesh's economy, like in spite of being having very less resources as compared to India, Bangladesh's economy has able to sustain the pandemic better than India, and its economy is has projected that it will grow at faster rate than India. So, what do you think? Like, what are the reasons which, like, how Bangladesh, what advantages Bangladesh had, or how it planned? Because see, India is having more population as compared to Bangladesh. We do have more geographical resources as compared to Bangladesh, but still, it is Bangladesh has been able to on the not even on in the economic resources, but even the gender inequality index also, Bangladesh is way ahead of India. So, what do you think? Like, what are the reasons for it?
Ma'am, I will answer this question in two parts.
Mm-hmm.
First one is about why Bangladesh economy as well as GDP is rising,
Mm-hmm.
and what are the reasons for that. And for that, there are various reasons. First one is it is about duty-free access of Bangladesh products to the developed countries like USA.
Mm-hmm.
As Bangladesh term as the least developed country, it has
Mm-hmm.
that privileges. That privileges are not there for India because recently there are issues related to GSP, USA has rejected that for India.
Mhm.
That is one of the advantage for Bangladesh and their rise in the particular export. Second thing, Bangladesh leveraged their cheap cost of labor,
Mhm.
especially in
Mhm.
textiles, and that led to
Mhm.
the overall disposable increase in disposable income of the people. And
Mhm.
therefore, their textile exports are highly competitive as compared to the India. This is
Mhm.
one of the second reason. And third thing, if we say that politically as well as geopolitically, now it is uh, playing the China card against India as well, because now Chinese investment has been coming in Bangladesh at cheap rate as well. So these are various issues that why Bangladesh economy has been increasing recently. Their GDP is increasing. And with
Mhm.
regards to the second question about their track record of good uh, human
Social.
development indicators
Mhm.
related to the women, uh, they have leveraged their textile exports as well as textile sector for the benefit of women. About
Mhm.
90 to 95% of women are employed in the textile sector, and that has led to the increase in the disposable income of the women.
Mhm.
And since long time, the their president is women, Madam
Uh,
Sheikh Hasina, and that is why it has also
Hello.
been. And
Your voice
third
is not
thing I would
audible
say,
to me.
mhm.
hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, third important aspect is their leveraging of the microfinance at the grassroots level, as well as their uh, promotion of the self women-led self-help group
Mhm.
by the Bangladesh Grameen Bank, and their Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus has leveraged the cheap credit, and that revolution has helped women a lot. And
Mhm.
because of that, their human development indicators are good in the South Asia.
Okay,
But
so
Praveen, already you mentioned that the ruler of Bangladesh. Just I want to interrupt in your question. Is Hasina Madam. So
Yes,
you
yes.
think that in India we have a need of a woman ruler as a prime ministers in India so that our country may be developed as a Bangladesh?
Sir, I would say we should replace all our parliamentarians with women. There is no issue
Okay.
because nowadays we have seen, means since our independence, we have seen so many less percentage of women and all men cabinets, and mainly men at the political affairs, and people don't have any problems with having male only politicians, so we should not have any problems for having women only politicians.
But why we against the already the bill for the reservations in a that means the parliament and the assembly, that means the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, we are giving the special reservations to the woman. That bill is pending now. Why not political party agenda to support women in India?
Sir, nowadays, I would say there are various trends in India. We could not say that there is a direct opposition from so many parties, because in recent elections, such as parties such as Biju Janata Dal as well as Trinamool Congress has given a good number of women candidates opportunity to fight the elections. However, our larger social setup is more patriarchal, and that is why women have seen there is a less number of participation at the uh, political level. It is the issue across the board, not at the political level as well. We can see it in economy, we can see it in social sector as well. Women have very less representation, but I am hopeful that such things will definitely change as India is moving towards more modern economy. Women are taking means recent judgments of Supreme Court have also come up in favor of, means to promote the women in the armed forces. further giving more number of maternity benefits for the women in terms of leaves. So there are positive trends in India.
But in Panchayat Raj, we are providing a reservation, specific reservation that up to 50% reservation to women now in Panchayat Raj.
Yes, sir.
How many percentage?
Sir, it is 33%, but states can give 50%. Mandatory 33% is there, but states can give 50%. States such as Maharashtra has given 50%.
Did you think that that reservation is facilitated to women, or that family members ruling that village or panchayat or whatever? We find out there is so many complaint against that lady's husband because she is not ruling the village panchayata, but her husband was ruling.
Sir, I would say it is a positive step that we have provided such a affirmative action policy for the women. The issue of patriarchal nature of our political institution is not new. It has been there since ages. So such social issues does not change overnight, and it will take time for India to adapt to such changes. However, now there are visible changes at the uh, grassroots level as well. With your permission, I would like to give you one example about my village where we have
Okay.
women. Sir, we have women sarpanch since last two elections, and now my village has got a second prize twice in the Adarsh Gram Puraskar at our district level. We have effectively used Shramdan. We have effectively used tree plantation benefit, tree plantation drive. We have increased tree cover of our village as well. Now there is talk of providing digital education to the primary school in our village. So the women have done a lot at the ground level at my village level. That I can surely say.
Okay, that's a good thing. That means you think that there is a need of reservations to the woman.
Yes, sir. Certainly, it will help us a lot in the longer term.
But the reservation policy is good in India or not? What do you think on it?
Sir, yes, sir. There is utility of reservation policy, and it has helped us India to provide justice to the marginalized sections of our society.
Okay.
But you are came from the Maharashtra, and there is a some maybe struggle we find in the Supreme Court. Also, the case is running for the reservations of the Maratha community. Do you think that all community are demanding for the reservations, and how many there is some criteria, not more than the 50% we are not providing the reservations to the community or any caste, but that percentage is increasing highly, but that way Maratha community also demanding the reservation. Do you think that Maratha will get or may not be get reservations? We are in the follow. You are the follower of the reservation or not that time?
Sir, I would say there are plausible explanations from both these sides that why Maratha community should get the reservation. If by the statistical measures they should get, because most of the people are not good enough economically as well as socially, as there is a concentration of wealth in few families, few individuals rather than total Maratha community. So it makes the case for reservation so that they will get uplifted. But this reservation demands, if we see, are largely from the landholding communities, and their demands we should, when we analyze socially or politically, is because of just it is just a symptom, as there is a large scale agrarian distress across the country, and the farming has become unviable. There are issues such as previously these landholding communities were prosperous. Now they are facing issues such as livelihood issues. There are farmers distresses, farmer suicides are there. So rather than be thinking about reservation, giving them reservation, we should work on the issues like livelihood, providing employment, providing means improving the agricultural infrastructure, making agriculture more remunerative. So we should think on those lines rather than providing reservation.
Okay. But Muslim communities GDP is less than the Maratha community, so we have to need to give the reservations to Muslim community also.
Sir, there was a Supreme Court suggestions in the Jat reservation case that not only we should think on the caste lines, but some deserving sections such as transgenders, women, as well as another communities like Muslims should get the reservation. And if the states find that yes, there is a case, if and it will help in providing means help in socio-economic upliftment of such communities, then definitely there is a case of providing them reservation.
Social or economic reservation, which one is the greater as per your suggestion? Social reservation may be need today or a economical reservation?
Sir, providing reservation has both positives as well as negatives. But I think we should think in the more holistic way rather than shortening the pie that we have. We should provide them livelihood opportunities. We should increase their disposable income. We should provide them education and such as scholarship. And if we are able to do that, if means rather than giving them fish, means there is a saying that we should not teach people to get fish, but rather than we should teach them how to fish. So if we do that, then there will be the reservation will not become a major issue. I think we should think in that way.
Okay, like the subsidy issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you think that's my last question? I have not given any controversial questions to you because you are from the belongs to farmer family. Your father was doing a job in a farm. The subsidy. Do you think that the subsidy is a way to succeed the GDP of the nation? Yes or no? First, you tell me.
Sir, I would say both yes and no as well.
Not only one answers. I have need. You firm on one answer. Yes or no?
Sir, it should be given to the deserving sections and for the right reasons. Then it is okay. For wrong reasons, it is wrong.
you're balancing your answer. If you
Your
are
answer
in
need to be more structured here. You need to justify
Yes.
your stance where you think that it is right and using like proper explanation. So, but since the interview has been going on since long time, so it seems that you are also little tired. So
No, ma'am,
that's why
I'm not
maybe
tired. You can ask me questions.
Okay,
okay.
okay. Let it be asked. Okay. Okay, Amruta ma'am, continue.
Okay, so we were talking about the economy of Bangladesh and then we went on to the gender inequality. But since you're explaining about the gender inequality that women can play a prominent role, but you know the question starts from like in a very way of like when you like when this interview session started, you said, "Okay, good evening." You just greeted the male, male members of the panel. Did not greet me. So it's like a
Sorry, sorry, ma'am.
contradiction.
Actually, there were technical issues, ma'am. Means I did not see you first. I saw just sir,
Okay. Oh,
and other two panels were not
Okay.
visible for me. And I'm very sorry that I did not greet you. I would not
okay.
do the same mistake again.
Let it be. And
So
Gajanan
shows
sir,
the
give
two
something.
examples
Okay.
as
Ma'am, you
Baba
are
Sahib
not
Ambedkar's statement
audible.
was that true development.
Amruta ma'am,
Hello.
you repeat your question again.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir. Okay. So the Bangladesh shows that example of Baba Sahib Ambedkar's statement that true development of a nation lies with the true women. Because since women are economically and politically more developed, so obviously their social development indicators are better than India. Eventually, it reflected in the economic development also.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Okay, my next question will be on the food processing industry. Since like you know total 32% of the production or like GDP production, food processing industry occupies almost 32%, and the production will be increased up to fivefold in the next few years. So, what are the opportunities that India have in this sector, and
Hmm.
how women can mental health groups can be done through this?
Uh, Ma'am, there are lots of opportunities for India in the agro-processing sector as well as food processing sector. India has come up with the recent budget. In recent budget, we have come up with the schemes such as Matsya Sampada Yojana, as well as Mega Food Park Scheme, so that the agro food processing would be boosted. There will be uh, creation of the infrastructure as well as investment through the agro technology investment fund that has been recently introduced in the budget by honorable finance minister. I would say there is a lot of scope in value chain creation, so that in that value chain, this agro food processing will help us to double the farmers' income, because to become farming remunerative as well as double the farmers' income, uh, we should increase the aggregation of farmers' produce, and uh, the we should also able to means improve the economies of scale in the agriculture, as India has 86% of small and marginal farmers. So if we aggregate all these produce at the processing level, then we can be able to uh, effectively market and process it. So through that, we can provide the required income and disposable income to the farmer. So this is one case. And sir, and ma'am, second case is about improving the agriculture exports. Now, agriculture exports policy has come up, which says that we should double up the agriculture exports to $100 billion, or the $80 billion, 80 to $100 billion. India especially exports only the rice, wheat, and there is lot of scope to export the agriculture processed material or the products such
Okay.
as milk and all those things.
Okay, Gajanan sir, ask last questions and then we are giving the feedback to Praveen.
Okay, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about your hobbies. Hmm?
Certainly,
You
sir.
have mentioned that reading short stories as one of your interest or hobby. What attracts you towards short stories rather than detailed and long stories?
Uh, Sir, short story is a genre of the stories where you can enjoy a story in a very short time,
Mm-hmm.
and you can read it anywhere. Means
Mm-hmm.
whenever you get the leisure time, you can use your time very effectively through the short story,
Mm-hmm.
and it will give you a fulfilling experience that yes, you have read something, you have read, and it also gives some social message there is a theme-based stories where you can get various input. It can encourage you to think about various cultures, because it provides a cultural window for uh, various societies around the world. So it is like a short and crisp nature of the short stories that attracts me.
Tell us one short story. We are bored. We have been talking about all technical points and very dry subjects like economy and international relations and all. Tell us some short story.
Sir, there is a very interesting short story that I read recently. It
Ah.
was by Leo Tolstoy.
Mm-hmm.
The name of the story was "How Much Land Does a Man Need?"
Mm.
So it was about one should not be greedy, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and the greediness will lead to our means greediness is not important. Greediness is not good for human being.
Mm-hmm.
That was the theme of that story.
Mm-hmm. All right. So you prefer brevity, crispness, shortness, or lengthy, detailed, long descriptions and stories. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, just Praveen, are you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, what? Just I collect some points related to your feedback. Your presentation is very good. Your
Thank you, sir.
psychology, your voice is very good. Your voice is very good. I pressurize on your voice, but
Thank you, sir.
sometimes you make a lengthy style like you are living in a Maharashtra. I know that you are a Maharashtrian living in a Nagar. That's is okay, but sometimes the tunings of the Nagars and your own village is matches. That is not a problem. But lengthy procedure sometimes you cut it,
Okay, sir.
not
Short
go
answers.
short. Okay. Second is that how we tackle the interview. Interview is nothing. Interview is the first questions of the panel, and first questions answer we have put a lot of key, two or three key. That key make a new question for us. This is
Okay,
the
sir.
proper style of to face the interview. Which because if there is a the panel asks a lot of questions related to the factual question, a factual question we are not there to tackle it because we don't know which factual questions may be asked. We don't know. But theoretical question we face some things. We adjustable it. So
Okay, sir.
my suggestion to you that you always prefer to use the keywords. Suppose first five question, introduce yourself, take some things, give some information related you to the panel member. That you have a
Yes, sir.
lot of opportunity. I am given. That means I am giving the freedom to you
Yes, sir.
to play a ball on a pitch because this is your own pitch and
Okay,
panel
sir.
will be come in your court, not their court you enter.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the simple formula. And interview nothing because already you are knowledgeable person. You crack pre-examination already. You appear three times for the interview. That's a great score for you. And only some lack of the main score, you are not get a chance to serve in a administrative services like in a civil services. But I hope that you collect the DAP information. Suppose the DAP line, your name, collect 10 questions on each point, and in front of the mirror, you you practice daily in front of the mirror because your eye, where is your eye? The greeting, that is a good evening to ma'am, also good evening to sir, good evening all. That is a simple thing. Not a, this is a psychometry. This is a proper salutations to each members because they may be satisfied. Their ego
Okay,
may
sir.
not be hurt.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and your presentation is very good, huh? Praveen, I hope
Thank you,
that
sir.
you will
Yes.
get a score more than 165. More than 165.
Thank you, sir.
Gajanan sir, give some feedback.
Hi, Praveen. Few points. One that I noticed, and even in my concluding remarks, I mentioned that you prefer short, crisp, to the point stories or lengthy, descriptive, long answers.
Yes.
That is the feedback actually to you.
Okay, sir.
See, you enjoy reading short stories precisely because it's very short. I can pay attention to the details that you are telling.
Yes,
At the
sir.
same time, it is catering to the need and demand of the question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
one, and that will also save you from going into the uncharted territories. You did
Okay,
not
sir.
use keywords, and you have a lot of information, lot of knowledge. That is not an issue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you need to work on is what question has been asked
Yes, sir.
and what are its components and intent. You
Yes,
judge the
sir.
intent of what is the motive of asking this question and answer in three
Yes.
to four sentences. I'm talking sentences, statements.
Okay, sir.
You
Okay,
understand
sir.
difference between sentence and statement?
Sir, can you please
Yes. See,
tell us?
sentence is a literary, something using the English
Okay, sir.
words. I'm making a sentence. It may not
Okay,
have
sir.
truth value.
Okay, sir.
But when I say statement, it's a logical sentence. It has a
Yes,
truth
sir.
value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your answer should be statements.
Yes, sir.
One or two sentences, okay. I mean, there is not a much difference, but to explain you and to make you understand, I'm making this differentiation.
Thank you, sir.
Don't go beyond three to four statements. Keep it to the
Okay,
point.
sir.
Okay. Third,
Okay, sir.
you can prefer to be in bullet format, 1 2 3. If you don't
Hmm.
understand how to, I should reduce the length. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
And stick to the question. No need to go beyond what has been asked.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you go that, then it becomes, oh, you do not understand the question properly and you keep talking. That impression should not go.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Yes,
You
sir.
have good
Praveen,
knowledge.
Praveen, you have to prepare related agriculture, mostly
Yes, sir.
first. Second
Okay, sir.
one, electronic and communication, your engineering degree.
Yes, sir.
And third one is that why you constantly prepare for the civil services.
Okay, sir.
Fourth one is that jogging your activities and interests, reading short story, jogging related some question maybe chance to ask by the panel. That time you tackle that situation.
Okay, sir.
Third one is that your second preference is the IPS, not IFS. But
Yes,
mostly
sir.
mostly student prefer to IFS. But you
Okay,
give
sir.
prefers to IPS. Then
Yes.
you have the knowledge of the police force in India,
Okay, sir.
paramilitary forces,
Okay, sir.
police rules,
Okay, sir.
then international relations. You have a great knowledge. That is not an issue. But you face all things. But
Okay,
police,
sir.
foreign policy already we are discussing.
Yes,
IS,
sir.
just I will ask the question: if you are the secretaries of that department, how can you tackle the situation? Some situation may be create in that session. That time you properly tackle it. If you have
Okay,
no
sir.
idea, then you said, "Sorry, sir, we have no idea." That's a great, but not do your own business.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. As per my knowledge, as per my opinion, your interview is very good, and I hope that
Thank you,
you
sir.
will get a great score when you read so many times. Prefer the DAPS question in front of the mirror. That's my
Uh,
suggestion to you.
try
Certainly,
try
sir.
writing try writing answers of the questions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So once you write, then articulate it. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
You don't go on
Yes, sir.
talking. Just tell 4 or 5 simple words which
Okay, sir.
address the question. The way we do in mails,
Okay,
we
sir.
do not describe it too much. You simply put it to the point. 3 points. Don't go beyond three. Maximum four.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hmm?
sir. 3 to 4
Don't talk
points.
beyond 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Sir, if I have,
Mhm.
ma'am is also there.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
many,
we are waiting, Amruta ma'am.
ma'am,
Okay,
please.
okay. Tell your feedback, Amruta ma'am, to Praveen. You're mute, 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 mute. You're mute, mute, mute. Okay.
Um,
Okay. Now tell.
Praveen, your answers show that you do have knowledge about the subjects and you do have opinions, but I think that there is a scope for improvement in a flow and structure also. Like try to you know form your answers on a diverse basis so that you can give show reflect that you have diversity of knowledge and maturity of thought about a particular topic which is given.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Definitely.
I could not actually listen your answer last answer properly. So, but whatever, like even the Gajanan sir has asked you the questions about international relations, so you could give proper answers
Okay.
for that, for those questions also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Praveen,
Yes, sir.
Gajanan sir, Amruta ma'am, and myself observing you. Your presentation is very good. Your voice is very great, clear, crystal clear, but sometimes lengthy. You make a short. That's already I first time I suggest you. Second one, on the behalf of the deaf, the panel will ask the questions on the behalf of deaf. So you prefer to read a DAP or make a questionnaires related to DAP and some your educational already you are mentioned in your graduation, your 10th, your 12th, your experience, your hobbies, your activities, that hobbies related to international issue, that hobbies related government schemes and their policies, what that may be adjustable.
Okay,
This is
sir.
a simple technique to tackle the interview session.
Okay, definitely, sir.
Okay, and we hope that you will get a score in this year and you will get absolutely post. But I don't tell that because I don't know your main score. But in interview, you are very good.
Thank you, sir. If I have opportunity to means have interview with you again, then please, sir.
Yes, yes,
After 15 to
Sure.
20 days, I would prepare myself well, and
Mhm.
I would
yes,
also
yes.
have interview then.
When we
Mock
will
interview.
arrange the second session for the mock session, that times I will call you again and connect you with this platform.
Thank you, sir. Definitely.
Okay. Gajanan sir, what's your scorecard?
I would put in 160 to 165, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
But avoid
Amruta
blunders.
ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
Your scorecard?
Sir, I would suggest 160 to 170. Uh,
But
well,
my
we'll stick.
scorecard is one. My scorecard is 165 to 170. My personal opinion. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Best luck.
Thank you,
All the
sir.
best.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
now,
All the best.
and Praveen,
Thank
disconnect
you,
now.
sir.
You.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you all.
Welcome.
Yes. 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 Yes.